Good morning students. Today we will start lesson number 5, operating a computer. In this lesson we will study that how we can operate a computer. What is the meaning of operating? Operating means we will learn how to start a computer. हम कंप्यूटर को कैसे स्टार्ट करेंगे, how to shut down a computer when we are not working or our work is over, how can we shut down a computer. Next we will learn how to start any program like Paintbrush, Word. Okay, how to resize a program window means how to maximize the size of window, how to minimize the size of window. Resizing we will learn in this lesson, and how to move a window on a desktop from one place to another place. All these topics we will discuss in the lesson number 5. First children, we will study, as you know that computer is a system. It has a various parts. You all are familiar with this part, don't you? Like system unit is a CPU. This is a monitor where we see mouse, keyboard. So now first we will see what are the basic parts of computer, like monitor for display, keyboard for typing we use mouse for drawing something. CPU किस लिए होता है? CPU is the brain of computer. It do all the processing. UPS used when electricity goes off. Printer we use to take the printout from the computer. Pen drive कब use होता है? When we have to carry some important file from computer to another computer. Scanner, if you have any page or picture in your hand or you want on computer, you use scanner. Speakers are used to listen music. So these are the basic parts of computer, and with the help of these we use a computer. And why we use, you people use for typing a document. आपको typing करना है तो use करते हैं. Teachers use for typing question papers. Students use for typing answers, stories, poems, है ना. We can draw pictures also on a computer very easily or very attractively. You can solve the math questions on computer. Computer also help in mathematical calculations. So dear, all for using the computer, first we have to understand that how can we start a computer. So first of all, as you know, computer is an electronic machine. It needs electricity. So for that, first step is to switch on the power supply button. As you all have seen that computer has a CPU has a cable that is connected with the main power supply. So first we have to on the power supply button to generate the electricity. Next, as I told you, UPS is also an important part of computer. So what is the full form of UPS? Uninterrupted power supply. Children, what happened? We connect the CPU and UPS together. So what happened? That whenever the light goes off, it provides electricity to the computer system. So UPS is also important nowadays. Next thing is, as you see how this setup is there. We connect the CPU and monitor with the UPS, and UPS we connect with the main power supply button. Okay. So after switching on the UPS, now to use the computer system, we will start the CPU first. So we will press the power supply button of CPU. Children, you see in this picture, there is a rounded button at the bottom. आपको सिल्वर कलर के बीच में एक सिल्वर कलर का गोल बटन दिख रहा है. That is a CPU power supply button. तो we will on this button and then computer will start processing, क्योंकि ये ही main processing unit है. It is a brain of our computer system. So we will start the CPU. Now when we start the CPU, then processing starts, but we cannot see anything because we can only see information with the help of monitor. So now next step is we have to switch on the button of monitor. Please carefully see in this picture एट द बॉटम ऑफ मॉनिटर स्क्रीन राइट साइड में देखिए कुछ आपको बटन दिख रहे होंगे सिल्वर कलर के, उनमें से जो फर्स्ट वाला बटन है दैट इज़ अ मॉनिटर बटन। आप इसको प्रेस कर देंगे तो मॉनिटर ऑन हो जाएगा और मॉनिटर पे लाइट भी आएगी येलो कलर की। सो एंड देन यू जस्ट वेट। सो आवर नाउ एज वी वेट वी विल गेट दिस टाइप ऑफ स्क्रीन दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द विंडोज़ प्रोग्राम। हम सारे वर्क कहाँ करते हैं, इस विंडोज़ प्रोग्राम में। सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट सिंपल एंड ईजी प्रोग्राम वी यूज़, और बहुत ही यूज़र फ्रेंडली प्रोग्राम है ये, है ना। सो आफ्टर दैट we can open paintbrush, we can open typing program, even we can play games. So this way we will start the computer and use our computer for various purpose. I hope आप याद रखेंगे कि आप कंप्यूटर को कैसे स्टार्ट करना, और नेक्स्ट टाइम यू विल स्टार्ट योर सेल्फ। ओके चिल्ड्रन, नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी विल स्टडी नेक्स्ट टाइम। थैंक यू।